Hey, I'm Steph with Glo Skin Beauty, and this is a quick guide to our oil control emulsion. Hydrate and moisturize skin without weighing it down with this purifying and mattifying next generation moisturizer. Hydrating, nourishing, and conditioning skin without clogging pores or causing shine, it's the perfect moisturizer for combination or oily skin. Powered by hyaluronic acid, microsponge technology, and a probiotic complex, it hydrates and nourishes skin, balances oil production for extended shine control, and protects and strengthens skin's moisture barrier. Apply to skin after cleansing and toning. Layer over a solution serum for extra benefits. Can be used twice daily. This moisturizer will be your go-to if you're prone to breakouts, shine, or clogged pores. I love how this moisturizer mattifies my skin, but also boosts my natural radiance too.